tutorial. Today we are going to learn a new topic, sense organs, and this topic is related to science. In this video we are going to learn like how many sense organs are there and what are the functions performed by the sense organs. So before entering into our topic, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Then only I can make more videos for you. Okay, before entering into our topic, first let us see what is meant by a sense organ. So here I am going to write the definition which is related to sense organs. Our body organs which can sense various objects present around our surroundings are called as sense organs. So please be clear with what is meant by sense organs. Our body organs means all the body organs which are present in the human body which can sense various objects present around our surroundings are called as sense organs. Now I will explain you how many types of sense organs are there and what are the different functions performed by the sense organs. Then you will be able to understand in a better way like how the sense organs are useful to us. Now let us see how many types of sense organs are there. There are 5 types of sense organs. They are, first one is EYES, eyes. Second one is NOSE, nose. Third one is EARS, ears. Fourth one is TONGUE, tongue. Fifth one is SKIN, skin. So totally there are 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now let us see each and every sense organ function in detail. First, when we go for the eyes. So eyes are a wonderful gift of nature to the humankind. It helps us to see various objects. Eyes help us to see various objects. Okay. It also helps us to differentiate the colors. So what do you mean by differentiating of colors? Which is nothing but when you just look at the color. Here there is a white board. So which means that the board is white in color. It is a color. And I am writing it black color. So you are able to tell the difference between white and black. This difference is done with the help of the eyes. So when you see a beautiful painting, okay, like some mountains are there and here is a sun, okay, so this is a beautiful painting. And what are these present in the painting? You can say these are the mountains by looking with your eyes. And still what is present in the painting? There is a sun. So all this you can see with the help of your eyes. For example, here I am taking a flower. So what is this flower? It is a rose flower. So for this rose flower, you can see this is a flower, you can say, and here is one leaf, you can say, and these are the petals you can identify. So all this is done with the help of the eyes. And you can also differentiate near and far objects. Whether an object is near to you or far away to you is also known with the help of the eyes. So these are the functions performed by the eyes. Next sense organ is nose. Nose helps us to smell different fragrances smells different fragrances. So what do you mean by fragrance? A fragrance is nothing but where you get a good smell such as a perfume. So many of you might be using the perfumes. So which is nothing but a very good fragrance you are getting, you can say. And different fragrances and smells. Okay. So what do you mean by the smells? It will be of two types, like a good smell and bad smell. So good smell and bad smell both are differentiated with the help of the nose. For example, when you go near some flowers, so you get a very good smell. For example, a jasmine, when you take, you can feel a very good smell coming out of the flowers. For example, when you take a socks which has not been washed for 1 week or so, so you will be getting a very bad smell. Or else when you take a dustbin as an example, you get a very bad smell out of it. So this good smell and bad smell is differentiated with the help of the nose. Our next sense organ is ears. Ears helps us to hear different sounds and recognize them. Okay, and it also tells us the direction from where a sound is coming. It also helps the direction from where a sound is coming. And you can also hear some loud sounds and gentle sounds, the difference. So this difference is differentiated with the help of the ears. Ears are able to recognize the loud sounds and the gentle sounds. Okay, loud sounds are unpleasant to ears. They are also harmful because inside the ears you will be having an eardrum. Okay, so that eardrum vibration will be much when you hear the loud sounds, which is very harmful to our ears. And there will be some gentle sounds. Okay, so these gentle sounds are very pleasant to our ears. For example, for the unpleasant sounds, when you see a loud burst of crackers or a bus tire has been burst, you get a very big sound, the bursting, okay, during the crackers also. So these are very unpleasant sounds. And the gentle sounds are nothing but when you see a baby laughing, a devotional songs, okay, which are very pleasant to hear. And sometimes when you go out, you can hear different kinds of sounds like birds chirping, okay, children laughing, vehicle sounds, animal sounds. So all these different kinds of sounds are being recognized with the help of ears. So this is the function of ears. Our next sense organ is tongue. So tongue helps us to know different tastes, okay, and flavors of food items. For example, when your mother is preparing something very hot and she brought you, so how do you feel it? And the hotness is felt by your tongue. At the same time, when you take a cold thing such as an ice cream or cool drinks or anything, the coldness is also felt by you. So the difference between hotness and coldness is recognized with the help of tongue, and also the taste of different food items such as chutneys, ice creams, Maggi, noodles, chapatis. So each and every food item has a different taste. So these different tastes are being recognized with the help of tongue. So this is the function of tongue. Our last sense organ is skin. So skin is the largest sense organ in the body. It helps us to differentiate between smooth and rough surfaces, and also hot and cold things. For example, when you touch something hot, you immediately remove your hand from there. So that sense is felt with the help of skin. And when you touch something cold, such as an ice, when you take an ice block, so you can feel the coldness of the ice, which has been felt with the help of the skin. And for example, when you are injured also, means what? When you have fallen down, okay, you get some hurt. The pain of the injury is felt with the help of skin. And when you have bitten by an insect, when you have been bitten by an insect, that pain also been felt with the help of skin. So for example, when a mosquito is coming and falling on your hand and it has been biting you, immediately remove your hand from that. So that sense is being felt with the help of the skin. So this is the function of skin. So finally we can say there are 5 sense organs. Eyes, which helps us to see various objects. Nose, which helps us to smell different smells, that is good, bad. And ears, which helps us to hear different kinds of sounds. Tongue, which helps us to taste different foods. Skin, which helps us to sense different kinds of surfaces. So this is about our sense organs. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.